is Dave Piper. I'm the owner of Dave's Lamont Street Auto Repair. I've been the owner here since 1990. I'm going to take you on a little tour of my repair shop. I'm going to go out to the alley. I'm going to show you a custom painted mural wall. This mural wall was painted by some local tattoo artists showing off their skills. Very beautiful. So now I'm going to take you on a tour inside the shop. Follow me. Start off by showing off some of our equipment. This is our Anvil 4000 brake lathe, bought brand new in 1990, still works. We have oil filter waste barrels, we have coolant waste barrels, and our oil waste tanks. Here we have our workbenches. One of our technicians, Raul, is working on a head gasket job on an Infinity. Say hi, Raul.
Hi, Raul.
Here we have some more equipment, tire balancer, tire breaker machine, engine oil. We have all brand new Robin air coolant flush machines, transmission flush machine, Robin air AC machine, USB smog machine, toolboxes, workbenches. Don't worry, this is not being worked on. This is my personal kayak. We just store it here. Lockers, shelves, tool cabinets, all kinds of shop tools. Okay, stop.
This is our roof. It's redone about 3 or 4 years ago. I mean, unfortunately, they didn't paint it, but you know, the best part is it doesn't leak. Got the floors, got old racks. All the racks work just fine.
We keep all our parts, just oil filters and basic needs.
So this closed bay used to be our alignment rack, but now it's the boss's personal playground. I'll show you that in just a second. That's our front office right here. This is where we make all the magic happen. There's the boss man himself. He's got a good AC unit, works great, but as you can tell, it's a little noisy. Office continued.
Okay, here we have the mechanic's bathroom. This is where we keep storage for office stuff. This is our beautiful wash sink. This is the bathroom. As you can tell, I personally recoated the floors in here myself. Not right? This is where the customers come in. It's our waiting room and bathroom. Come here, take a picture of the bathroom.
Hi, my name's Andrew. I'm the shop foreman here at Dave's Lamont Street. Been here for about 2.5, 3 years. Currently working on balancing a set of tires. So keep working. Honestly, I think best place to get some more business is to keep us steady, constant busy. It gets a little boring when we're slow. Just think Probably get some good advertising or something to probably help us out.
Hi, my name is Raul Silva. Just started working here. I'm the new guy, and it's been pretty slow. I hate standing around, so I would love it if we got some more business in.
Hi, Richard. When I first started this shop in 1990, I didn't know a thing about running a business. I just learned it by the seat of my pants as I went along. As the business grew, I would hire more people. I would do more advertising. Back then, it was all about Yellow Pages advertising. When the Yellow Pages advertising dwindled and the internet and social media took off, we were kind of left behind. I'm an old school guy. I don't really know a lot about internet and social media advertising. I've tried a lot of things over the years and nothing has seemed to work. I really need your help in freshening up the look of the shop, new ideas on marketing and advertising, whether it be social media, pay-per-click. I've tried a lot of things. I've had a lot of companies tell me they could do this, they could do that, and I've never really gotten very much success out of it. I really could use some help. I mean, our sales are down. We used to get about $1 million a year through this shop in the 90s. Now we're down to just about 400,000, and I would love nothing better than to get it back up to that $1 million range. With your help, I believe I could get there. Thank you. I appreciate your time.